Good night, monster dude.
What's that?
Who's making all that noise? Hey! Hey, Google friends, where's the noise coming from? Is it coming from the kitchen, upstairs, or the living room? It's coming from the living room. Good job, Google friends. I see the noise maker. Gaga, baby.
Yes, Easy Kid.
Are you making all that noise?
Yes, Easy Kid.
Put that away. I'm trying to sleep here.
Okay, sorry.
Finally, peace and quiet. Who's that making that noise again? Hey! I don't see anyone. Hey, Google friends, do you see the noise maker? Is the noise coming from the boys' room, toy room, or the kitchen? It's coming from the kitchen. Thank you, Google friends. I see that noise maker. Goo Goo Gaga,
Yes, Easy Kid.
are you making all that noise?
Yes, Easy Kid.
Put those pots away, please. I'm trying to sleep.
Okay, sorry.
Oh, little brothers. Who is that making all that noise? I wonder where the noise is coming from. Hey! I don't see nobody at the front door. Hey, Google friends, do you see the noise maker? Is the noise coming from the kitchen, boys' room, or backyard? It's coming from the backyard. Thank you, Google friends. I see that noise maker. Gaga, baby?
Yes, Easy Kid.
Are you making all that noise? I'm trying to sleep.
Yes, Easy Kid.
Put the llama up, dude.
Okay, sorry.
I love my little brother, but they get on my nerves sometimes. Who's that making that noise again? I bet the noise is coming from my brother's room. Huh? Hey, Google friends, do you guys know where the noise is coming from? Is it coming from the kitchen, living room, or toy room? It's coming from the toy room. Thank you, Google friends.
Score.
Goo Goo Gaga.
Yes, Easy Kid.
Is that you making all that noise?
Yes, Easy Kid.
Stop making all that noise. I was trying to sleep, but now I'm up.
Okay, sorry. I'm gonna take a nap. I'll go into the nap.
Ooh, let's sing a song. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Left, right, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. The left, right song.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Left, right, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Left and right.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Left, right, left, right.
I can't sleep. I can't sleep.
What's wrong, Goo Goo Gaga and Gaga baby? You monster duo making too much noise.
Yeah, we can't sleep.
Well, don't be noisy when other people's trying to sleep.
Okay, Ziggy Kid.
Kids, remember! When someone is sleeping, be considerate, but not making too much loud sounds.
Oh no!
What was that? Oh no, what happened to your car?
I was driving really fast. I lost control and I crashed and lost my color. May you help me?
Yes, I'll get help for Google Colors.
Hi, Gaga baby. How may I help you?
I need color orange, please.
Okay, but first, find an orange toy around the house. Gaga baby, we gotta find an orange object. Are you ready?
Yeah, let's go hunting!
Yes, go hunt. Let's find an orange object. Where should we go first? In the boys' room? Okay, let's go in the boys' room. You see an orange object?
Yes!
Yay! You found an orange object. Okay, let's take it to the. You found some blue glasses?
Yeah! I'm so excited!
Yeah, you're a star. Yeah.
Ready, Daddy?
Huh? When you wear it?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I got blue glasses on.
Look, guys!
Is that orange chicken?
Yeah, doing it.
Okay, let's go take the orange thing to the train. Let's go.
I find some orange Google Colors.
Gaga baby, this is not the right color. Please fix me.
Oh boy, wrong color.
Hi, Gaga baby. How may I help you?
I need color pink, please. Can you help me?
No problem, Gaga baby. But first, find a pink toy around the house.
Yay!
Gaga baby, we gotta find a pink object. What should we check first? The girls' room? Okay, let's go check the girls' room. Let's go. You sure it's in the girls' room?
Yeah.
Gaga baby, let's check it here. Gaga baby, let's check it here first. Let's check it here first.
Okay.
Turn the light on, dude. Turn the light on. You see anything?
No!
No? Ah. Okay, check it here.
Yes!
What is it? What is it?
Pink!
Oh, it's a pink chicken again.
Look!
Dude, that's a silly sound, right?
Yeah!
Okay, come on, we gotta hit the car. Let's go hit the car. Let's go.
I found pink object Google Colors. Yay!
Gaga baby, I don't like the color pink. Fix me now, please.
Oh man, I got one again.
Hi, Gaga baby. How may I help you?
I need the color purple, please.
No worries, but first, find a purple toy around the house. Gaga baby, we gotta find a purple object. What should we check first?
In the kitchen.
Okay, let's go check the kitchen. Let's go. I wonder what it'd be.
No!
You don't see a purple object?
No, look.
Let's check in the cabinets. Let's check. Gaga baby, check in the cabinets.
Check them over there.
No. Not down there.
No.
Hey, Gaga baby, how about we check the living room? Let's check the living room. Oh, what is it? Oh, Papa Teddy Bear. Now let's go take it to the Goo Goo Gaga. Let's go.
Yay!
Gaga, I am not the color purple. Fix me now.
I'm still up the game.
Hi, Gaga baby. How may I help you?
I need color. Can you help me?
Okay, Gaga baby, but first, find a red toy around the house. Okay, Gaga baby, we gotta find the color. Gaga baby, where you at? Oh, there you go. Hey, Gaga baby, we gotta find the color red. Dude, we keep turning around for? What should we check first to find the color red, Gaga baby?
Mommy room.
Let's check Mama room. Let's go. Come on, let's check Mama room. Where's Mama room at?
Right here.
Right here?
No.
Hey, I don't see a color red. Huh? Let's check somewhere else. Let's check it here. I don't see the color red, Gaga baby. Oh, Gaga baby, Gaga baby. Let's check the stairs. Let's check the stairs, Gaga baby.
Open it. I will open it.
Yeah, open it. Go ahead. You see color red? Oh, there it is. What is it?
A red truck.
A red Jeep?
Yeah.
Okay, let's take it to Goo Goo Gaga. Let's go.
Thank you, Goo Goo Colors.
Good job, Gaga baby. I'm the color red.
Yes, I got it right. Hey, Google friend, what color did we learn today?
Pink, orange, red, purple.
Good job.